Hello beauties, welcome again to Women Styles. I just want you guys to please embrace your physical coils and let them go crazy in this modified short haircut. You can see how the style brings that cute asymmetry into your look, and it really draws that attention to your perfectly shaped eyebrows and your beautiful eyes. If you really have a special event and really want to try eye-catchy and unique natural African American hairstyles, you will love these options we've brought to your table, because these styles are that beautiful, admiring short hairstyles that will draw many admiring glances to you. Just embrace this beautiful style and it will make it to stand out and shine. Always add some products for sheen and structure, because for the most part this haircut is really a low maintenance and high glamour short haircut. So I just love this beautiful look because you can see how it looks so beautiful. Are those super short natural hairstyles is that kind of style that will always be taught in this cute super short haircut that is flawlessly formed, and you can see how it adds just enough feminine edge to balance out the entire style. So if it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Indeed, this hairstyle is really classy, curly haircut that can be so eye-catchy. So if you hesitate whether to cut your curly bangs or try styling fox ones using these few pins or hair scarf or stone, this haircut which will always come out looking so dashing. So we love it as simple as it is, because black natural cut is just perfectly ordinary, you know. So only you and your super short hair looks pretty natural and easy going. I just love this cut and I know you love them too. Please try and watch this video to the end and let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below.